With felt as her canvas, she starts to create, using wool like a dream, nothing can wait. A needle, her paintbrush, she stabs with glee, tiny strokes, making beauty for all to see. Needle felting, her art form brings light, soft and fluffy in hue, so bright. Quick little jabs, rhythm in her hand, crafting joy in her own wonderland. She crafts with wool and love so pure, her heart in each fiber, that's for sure. Needle in hand, her canvas alive, creating magic in every swipe. Shapes come alive with each careful poke, colors blend, memories evoke. From animals to scenes she conjures life, creating magic in every swipe. Relaxing minds with each careful poke, colors blend, memories evoke. From animals to scenes she conjures life, no worries here, free from strife. Relaxing minds with every turn, in her world we all can learn to find joy in simple things we see, creating worlds where spirits are free. She crafts with wool and love so pure, her heart in each fiber, that's for sure. Needle in hand, her canvas alive, creating magic in every swipe. She crafts with wool and love so pure, her heart in each fiber, that's for sure. Needle in hand, her canvas alive, creating magic in every swipe. With felt as her canvas, she creates with wool, using a needle as a paintbrush, stabbing quickly with tiny strokes. Needle felting in art form with such delight and relaxing minds. As her canvas, she creates with wool, using a needle as a paintbrush, stabbing quickly with tiny strokes. Needle felting in art form with such delight and relaxing minds. Such delight and relaxing minds.
In a world of shadows, light does sing. Goth unicorn with a blackened wing. Happy she dances under moonlit nights, creating beauty, spurring on delight. Her hooves tap softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Her hooves tap softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Goth unicorn in midnight hue, mixing magic in the morning dew, with raven feathers and twilight beads. She makes beautiful things from all the seas. Letter spills from ebony mane, beauty flowing like a gentle rain. Out of darkness comes her right beats, creating loveliness from the heart. With eyes like onyx, she sees it all, turning dark